Today, we are diving into one of the biggest scientific breakthroughs of our lifetime. Seriously, it's called AlphaFold. It's an AI system that has completely turned biology on its head, and in this explainer, we're going to break down exactly what it is, how it works, and why it is such a monumental deal. So let me just start by asking you this. What if an AI could solve a puzzle that had the smartest scientists on the planet stumped for half a century? I know, it sounds like something straight out of a movie, but this is the real story of how artificial intelligence finally cracked one of biology's greatest mysteries, the protein folding problem.
Okay, so to really appreciate just how game-changing the solution is, we first have to understand the problem. And believe me, for decades, biologists were staring down a challenge that was, well, it was a true beast.
Let's start with a quick refresher. Proteins. They are the tiny workhorses of life. They do pretty much everything inside our cells. Now, they start out as these long, floppy chains of amino acids. But here's the thing, that chain isn't what's important. Imagine it like a long, beaded necklace. The magic happens when that necklace folds itself into a very specific, very intricate 3D charm. That final, folded shape is everything. It's what determines what that protein can actually do. For 50 years, figuring out the 3D shape of just a single protein was, well, it was a nightmare. We're talking years of painstaking lab work. It could take up an entire PhD project, cost hundreds of thousands of dollars just for one structure. And if we ever wanted to understand biology on a grand scale, we desperately needed a faster, cheaper, more accessible way to do it. And this is where the story gets its Hollywood plot twist. The solution didn't come from a biology lab. It came from the world of AI. Enter AlphaFold, a revolutionary system from Google's DeepMind. At its heart, it's a deep learning model. It was trained on the public database of all the protein structures scientists had already solved. By analyzing all those examples, it basically taught itself the fundamental laws of physics that dictate how a protein folds. The speed of progress here is just staggering. The real mic drop moment was in November 2020. At this big competition called CASP, the second version, AlphaFold 2 predicted structures with such incredible accuracy that the scientific community basically declared the problem solved. And then, get this, just 2 years later, they released a database of over 200 million predicted structures, for free, for everyone. And if you want to really feel that leap in speed, this quote from Professor John McGeehan just says it all. What took us months and years to do, AlphaFold was able to do in a weekend. This wasn't just a small step forward, it was a complete reinvention of how we do biology. So, solving a giant scientific puzzle is one thing, but what does it actually mean for us in the real world? This is where it gets really, really exciting. Let's take a look at how AlphaFold is already being used to tackle some of our planet's biggest challenges. The impact really starts with this number. The AlphaFold protein structure database now holds over 200 million structure predictions. I mean, just think about that. That's a blueprint for nearly every single cataloged protein known to science. And it's all just out there for any scientist in the world to use. And believe me, they are using it. Over 3 million researchers across more than 190 countries. But what's really amazing to me is that a huge chunk of those users are in low and middle income countries. This is truly democratizing science, giving everyone, everywhere, access to the same cutting-edge tools. So let's look at a concrete example. Plastic pollution. It's a huge problem, right? A shocking 91% of all plastic ever created has never been recycled. Well, researchers are now using AlphaFold to see the exact shape of enzymes that can naturally break down plastic. And by seeing that shape, they can start to engineer them to make them better, faster, more efficient, plastic-eating machines. Or how about feeding the planet? Every single year, we lose up to 40% of our crops to diseases and pests. That's a massive loss. By using AlphaFold, scientists can now understand the structures of proteins in both the plants and the things that attack them. That knowledge is key to engineering crops that are naturally more resilient, helping us protect our food supply. And this isn't just theoretical research. It's actually speeding up the delivery of real-world solutions. As Professor Matthew Higgins points out, AlphaFold is helping scientists move their projects from basic research right into developing actual medicines. It's closing that huge gap between a discovery and a treatment that can help people. But, you know what? The story isn't over, not by a long shot. In fact, we've just entered a whole new chapter with the recent announcement of an even more powerful version, AlphaFold 3.
Okay, so this is the next big leap, and it's a critical one to understand. AlphaFold 2 was all about answering the question, what is this protein's shape? It gave us the static blueprint. AlphaFold 3 asks a much more complex and much more important question. How does it interact? It predicts how proteins connect and dance with all the other molecules in the cell, DNA, RNA, other proteins, you name it. It's the difference between having a photo of a single gear and watching the entire intricate clockwork of life in motion. This changes everything for designing new drugs, because now we can predict how a potential drug might actually fit into that complex cellular machinery.
Which brings us to our last thought. For the first time in human history, we have a tool that lets us see and predict the fantastically complex machinery of life itself. The possibilities for medicine, for new materials, for sustainability, they're almost limitless. So the question AlphaFold really leaves us with is this. Now that we have the blueprints for the living world, what are we going to build?